Hey, welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk. This is on the Village East security robot. This is the first time that I actually got it in moving action. Look how fast that sucker's traveling. It's traveling about as fast as I am walking. Roughly. It's got a pretty good clip on it with 4 cameras. Still have not found anybody that wants to talk about this robot. I've made several phone calls. I've talked to several of the store people, and they just know it's the security robot. I knew they used to have a security person that was here, but I have not seen the security person since. All I see is the robot, and you're gonna see it actually moving in action, unlike when I first filmed it or the second time I filmed it. It's pretty much been in its stationary mode, but watch how it just circumnavigates even these speed bumps. Now, these speed bumps were in existence years before this ever was here. And it just works its way around them. No problems. And look how fast she's gone. Anybody knows anything about this, I would love to do an interview with the actual people that own it. I don't know if the Village East Mall owns it or if they rent it and it's just got the logo on the side, or how it works. I'm just as in dark as most of you viewers that are actually watching this thing in action. Look at it go. We have just covered quite a distance with this. You got a vehicle. Let's see how it handles the vehicle. It's just gonna go straight for... Uh-oh. Oh, is it going to sense it? It sensed it.
Can you get it out of my lane?
It's not mine, ma'am. It's the mall's.
Can they have it drive in the red lane?
It's not. I don't know nothing about it, ma'am.
Make it move.
I don't have no control over it, ma'am.
Not fucking playing. It's in my lane.
As you can see, it's actually made somebody mad. That's driving in an area that isn't even allowed to be for people.
What? An area that's what? Yeah, exactly.
And now it's turned around and went away. Getting mad at a machine. That reminds me of those old things you would see posted on people's computers saying, take a sledgehammer to this machine, or they would throw it out underneath a semi-truck's dualies and you would see the computer smashed to smithereens. It gets you nowhere to get mad at an inanimate object. It's just kind of hilarious. And then she just thinks, even after I told the lady that I have no control over it. Matter of fact, you can see that the machine has Village East all over it. And as my viewers know, I'm Willis from Willis Talk. Well, until next time, this is me doing another small bit on Village East Security Night Scope.